Alright, today I'm going to attempt to make blacksmith a cowboy hat. There's this YouTuber, his name is David Hammer. I've seen him make these cowboy hats on there and stuff. Like, they said they're pretty easy. It seems like the average person could make them. This is my first time really dabbling in blacksmithing. Been doing it about a month, but I really thought the hat was cool, so I wanted to try to make them. So let's see how it goes. But I've also made several other things. I've made this forge off of his design and the burner. So his channel, I feel, is awesome. He doesn't post much, but the things that he does post, I feel, are valuable. So let's see how it goes. One of the things I wanted to show you guys is the material I'm using is 1/8 inch thick, 4 inches round. Now, I had these laying around, go figure. But that's about approximately what I think he makes his at. He doesn't really give too many dimensions. So, and the tools I'll be using is a piece of black pipe. Inside looks like 1 5/8. Outside is 1 7/8. And for my punch, or my radius, I'll be using the handle off of my vise. I thought it was perfect. So anyway, let's get started. It's been about 7 times, I'm guessing. 7. I think we're good. Yep. That's what we're going with. That's the last step for that. better, but I like it. I think it turned out pretty good. Now, he does some accents, which I might try here in a second. After it starts to cool down like this, he does a brass accent with a brass brush. It is transferring. I'm just going to do a little bit. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's still really hot. Do the other side a little bit. Turned out pretty good. I like it. Not too bad for a newbie, but I did watch that video about 20-30 times of David Hammer's. And by the way, that forge works awesome. The one I made of his design. I had a piece of 8-inch pipe laying around. I think it's 8 or 10. So that's it. I'm gonna wax it right now, and I have this bowling alley wax. I think he uses something like the same thing, but I just wanted to see if I could do this, and I think it's a success. Should wax it while it's hot. This is what I have. I've had it a long time, and I use it quite often. I also use it as a friction polish on my lathe. But I don't know if you can see those brass accents on there. I like the way that looks. Kind of looks a little weathered. I like them so much, I decided to make a few more. I thought they turned out pretty good. I like this one, all black. I'm going to give them away as gifts. And Mr. David Hammer is right. You can, I think the average person can make these. The black pipe's important, and so is the striker that you use. I just happen to have this, but you could probably like weld a ball bearing on a rod or something. But they work. And I made some cowboy hats. Let's see what's next.